In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell serial keys on Wix, and we'll walk through the entire process step by step from beginning to end. Let's dive in and get started with your Wix setup. First, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate your site and click on Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor where you can manage various aspects of your website. If you don't already have Wix stores set up, you'll want to ensure it's installed as it's essential for selling products on your site, including serial keys. Next, navigate to the store pages within the editor. This is where you can access and customize how your product pages look and feel. From the store pages, find and click on the product page option. We're preparing to add a new product, which in this case will be a digital product since serial keys aren't physical items. In the sidebar, you'll see an option to manage products, so go ahead and click on Manage Products. In the dashboard, select Store Products followed by the plus New Product button. Here, you'll choose Digital Product since we're dealing with serial keys. Now, let's add in the specifics for your digital product. Enter a descriptive product name like Software License Key and provide a detailed description of what users will receive. This is a crucial step as potential buyers will rely on this information to make purchasing decisions. The next step involves uploading your license key file. If you have a single key, you can upload it as a text file, .txt, or PDF. This file will then be sent automatically to customers once they complete their purchase. For those of you with multiple unique keys, consider using third-party apps like Sendowl, FetchApp, or SkyPilot, which allow for automated distribution and ensure each customer receives a distinctive code. You'll then need to set the price for the license key. It's also helpful to include any instructions your customers might need for activating the software or using the key effectively. If you think it could enhance clarity, feel free to add screenshots or branding logos to your product details. Don't forget to enable automatic delivery in the digital product settings, allowing your customers to receive their purchase license key immediately after their transaction is completed, offering them a seamless shopping experience. Lastly, configure your payment methods by going to the dashboard, clicking on Settings, and then Accept Payments. Make sure to enable popular payment methods such as PayPal, Stripe, or credit and debit cards. To finalize, conduct a test purchase to ensure everything runs smoothly and your payment gateways are functioning as expected. Once everything is set, publish your product by making it visible on the store page. Customize aspects like the Add to Cart button and layout to match your site's aesthetic. Preview your store to ensure everything looks great before going live. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you successfully sell your serial keys on Wix.